How to fix delayed WhatsApp messages. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. When your WhatsApp messages are being delayed, there is most probably two of the reason. One is because of your Wi-Fi connectivity and another is the bug issue. Firstly, you need to resolve your Wi-Fi connection issue if there is any. You can enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off and switch it to a better Wi-Fi connection or a mobile data. Once we have resolved our Wi-Fi connection, it's time to move on to the second step. Press and hold onto your WhatsApp app. Head to App Info. Force stop it. Head to Storage and Cache and clear it up. This is to fix the bug issue. Second step. Launch your Play Store or App Store in your mobile device. Search for WhatsApp. In here, we'll be checking for any available update. If there is any, just leave for an update, or the last resort is to uninstall the application. Now you can head back from your Play Store or App Store. Open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you find the option of System Update. Ensure that your mobile device is up to date so that it can support the application. Then, you need to search for date and time, or just search for date. The keywords will differ according to your mobile device. Select the option of date and make sure that it is set on automatic. Also make sure that you are not connected to a VPN. If you are connected, just disable your VPN connection. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.